In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem with the server 400 on YouTube. Let's launch the YouTube app. Here, you can see that it shows a server error 400. This usually happens when the device can't connect to the server. To resolve this, press and hold the YouTube app. In the pop-up, tap on the I button. In the bottom left corner of the screen, click on Force Stop. In the pop-up, click on OK. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on Clear Data. In the pop-up menu, click on Clear Cache. In the pop-up, click on OK. Now, tap on Storage. At the bottom of the screen, tap Clear All Data. In the pop-up, tap Clear All Data again. Click on OK. Now, go back and open the Play Store app. Go to the search option and search for YouTube. On the right side of the app, if it says Open, then it's fine. But if it says Update, then you need to update the app. Last of all, restart your phone. After restarting, if I open the YouTube app again, you can see that it runs perfectly now.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.